वेलकम टू मराठा विद्या प्रसारक समाजास KRT आर्ट्स BH कॉमर्स AM सायन्स KTHM कॉलेज नाशिक. Myself Sampath Dempsey, working as associate professor in Department of Electronic Science. Dear student, we started chapter 2 instruction set. In previous video lecture, we saw addressing mode, which is divided into two parts, part 1 and part 2. Today's video lecture, we are going to discuss the instruction set part 2. Every instruction divided into a three field: operation code, address of operand 1, address of operand 2. In instruction, an instruction is made up of operation code followed by the operands. The operands can be one of the data to operates on CPU register, memory location, or input-output port. These instructions, depending upon the operation they are performed, all instructions are divided into 5 groups, and those groups are like this: instruction set divided into 5 groups: data transfer instruction, arithmetic instruction, logical instruction, bit oriented instruction, and branch instruction. Student, we started arithmetic instructions set in details. In previous video lecture, part first, arithmetic instruction we saw. It is the continuation with that. The arithmetic instructions we are going to discuss in detail. This is the add instruction, belongs to arithmetic group. This add instruction having the 4 types like this and their addressing modes. This is a description of that instruction. This indicates the number of memory location required to store that instruction in program memory, and how much machine cycle required, that is given by this column, that is number of cycles. So this indicates that the memory cycle, whatever the machine cycle required for that particular instruction. Let us see the first instruction: add a comma hash data. This instruction belongs to immediate addressing. Immediately data added in accumulator and result is stored in accumulator register. So this is the description of that. The content of accumulator added in immediate data, and after addition result is stored in accumulator. So this is immediate addressing instruction. Add a comma RN, general purpose register, that RN value start from 0 to 7, R0 to R7. One of that register added in accumulator and result is stored in accumulator. So RN plus A, that will be stored in accumulator register. So here these types of addressing mode is register addressing. Add a comma direct. Direct byte gives the address of random access memory. That content added in accumulator register and result is stored in accumulator register. So this is the direct addressing instruction. Add a comma add RI. The content of RI register, RI may be R0 or R1. These two registers used to direct the random access memory indirectly. The content of RI register give the address of random access memory indirectly. That content added in accumulator register. So this is a indirect addressing instruction. Okay. Now these instructions needs a operation code. So the first instruction needs the operation code 24H, or in hexadecimal. OX indicates hexadecimal, and 24 is the operation code of this instruction, immediate instruction. It needs 2 bytes, and these are the flags affected when this instruction get executed by the CPU. Next instruction, add a comma this is the I memory, means internal memory, random access memory address. So this is having operation code 25H. Again this flag get affected, means for every arithmetic instruction these 4 flags get changed according to instruction operation. Add a comma at R0, and this is R1. So this Ri indicates what? R0 and R1. The content of accumulator and the content of random access memory indirectly pointed by R0 register, they are added. A result is stored in accumulator register having operation code 26H. And for add a comma at R1, the operation code is 27H. The remaining instructions are, this is the add a comma Rn. So Rn means R0 to R7. So these general purpose registers R0 to R7, they are added in accumulator, and again result will be stored in accumulator with operation code start from 28H to 2FH. That means the add a comma R0, the content of R0 register is added in accumulator, result is stored in accumulator having operation code 28H. Similarly, add a comma R1, the content of R1 register added in accumulator, result is stored in accumulator register. The operation code is 29H. And these all flags, means carry flag, auxiliary carry flag, overflow flag, parity flag get changed after instruction execute. Similarly, the last one, add a comma R7, the content of general purpose register added in accumulator and result is stored in accumulator register. Content of R7 will not change having the operation code 2FH, and these are the flags get affected. So these instructions and the meaning and the operation code given over here. All these instruction needs 1 byte memory to store it, means this is a 1 byte instruction, and this instruction set having addressing mode, register addressing mode. Okay, so this is the table indicates, and these instruction we have to discuss in next slide. Add a comma R0, a comma Rn. This is Rn means the value of register R0 to R7. Add the register Rn to accumulator. Okay, Rn means R0 to R7. So the syntax for this, add destination operand to the source operand and add a comma Rn. Here a is the destination operand and Rn is the source operand. The content of source operand added in accumulator content and result is stored in accumulator. The content of accumulator change, Rn register content not change. Description: in this instruction, the content of destination operand A, that is accumulator, register added in source operand, the register Rn R0 to R7. After addition, the result is stored in accumulator. The value of Rn not change, means destination operand change, source operand not change. This instruction belongs to register addressing. Okay, the content of PSW, program status word register, changes, that is flag bit changes, carry flag, overflow flag, parity flag and auxiliary carry flag. This instruction having the operation code 2CH. Okay, this is a 2 byte instruction, and this instruction having a machine cycle that is 1. Let us see the pictorially how this instruction get executed in CPU. Before execution, the program counter or program memory and program counter register content is what that we are going to discuss. Program memory, we can call it as a program code memory, that is 4K. So when it is 4K, the 12-bit address required, and hex address start from 000H and end at 1FFFH. So this is the 4K addresses. On that address, our program instruction, suppose add a comma R4 is stored. So its operation code is stored in first memory location to CH, and the second memory is location address required to address the R4. Now what is the content of program counter register? Now as we know, program counter is a 16-bit register, and it always gives address of next instruction which is to be executed. So this 0002H is the next instruction which will be executed by the CPU, and that address is given. So this is the status of your program memory which is of 4K. Now what is the content of accumulator? The content of accumulator is suppose 1AH. So this is hexadecimal, and this is the content of accumulator. In your register bank 0, will decide the bank. The bank is decided by the program status word register. The content of R0, RS0 and RS1, this gives the which bank get selected by the CPU. So RS0 and RS1 both are 00, means bank 0 will be selected. So this is the 00 means bank 0 selected, and in bank 0, 00 to 07H. So this 8 register bank, 8 register belongs to the bank 0. So this is given here, the bank 0, R0 to R7. So this, among that, the R4 we use, like here R4. So what is the content of R4? 29. So this 29H plus the content of accumulator, they are added, and result will be stored in accumulator. Now this is the before execution. Content of accumulator is 1A, 1 in binary format 0001, and A is 1010. So this is 1AH. In hexadecimal, in binary it is like this. R4. So what is the content of R4 now? That is the 29. So in binary format 0010, 1001. Now these two get added like this. So again, after execution, the content will be like this. So after execution, the content of accumulator, that is 1A, and the content of 24 added here. Okay, so addition will be like this. Now see here, in this last bit, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, sum is 0. Okay, carry will be, sum is 1, carry will be 0. Next will be 1 0, this is second bit. So 1 0, they are added, sum will be 0, carry will be, sum will be 1, carry will be 0. Again 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, sum will be 0, carry will be also 0. Now 1 plus 1, the fourth, this is D3 bit. When this is added, 1 plus 1, sum will be 0, carry becomes 1 here. Now here see, carry is 1. Now it is added here, 1 plus 0. Okay, 1 plus 0 plus carry. So this will be 1 plus 1, 0, sum, and carry will be 1. Carry comes here. So carry is here, 1. Now next bit will be what? 0 1, 0 1, again carry added in that, sum will be 0, carry becomes 1. Now we have 0 0 and this carry, so 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, sum will be 1, carry will be 0. Next one is 0 plus 0 0. So what answer you will get? Answer is 0 1 0 0, that is 4, and remaining 0 0 1 1. So this 4 and this 4, that is 43H is the content of accumulator after execution. Now the flag will be get changed. Now carry generated here from D3 bit. So this is the carry generated. So auxiliary carry becomes 1. Now see here. So this is the parity flag and this auxiliary carry becomes 1. Similarly, number of ones are odd. The parity becomes 1. So no carry generated. So this will be 0. After execution, as we know, the content of accumulator get changed for 3H whereas the content of R4 not change. So that will be your 29H. Okay. So this is the instruction execution of add a comma Rn instruction. We, for our simplicity, we take R4. So this is the execution process. Next one is add a comma hash data. So hash indicates immediate data. Add the immediate data to the accumulator. The syntax is add destination operand comma source operand. The add a content of accumulator and the immediate data. Suppose that is 28H. There is no need to search the operand. Okay, this is along with the instruction. That is why it is known name as immediate instruction. The content of immediate data 28H added in accumulator content and result is stored in accumulator. So this is the description of this instruction. In this instruction, the content of destination operand, that is accumulator register, is added immediately with the data byte. So here in this instruction 28H, but the data may be 00 to FF. After addition, result is stored in accumulator. The value of data byte not change. So this value not change. This instruction belongs to addressing, immediate addressing, and flags, PSW register flags, carry flag, overflow flag, parity flag, auxiliary carry flag get changed. Now this instruction having the operation code 24H, and this instruction need 2 bytes and 1 machine cycle. The next one is before execution. What is the status of carry flag and all this PSW flag, and what is the content of accumulator? So this instruction stored in program memory. So this is the operation code of this instruction and belongs to 0000H address and immediate data 28. So this needs 2 memory location to store to execute this instruction. So that is why it is named as 2 byte instruction. What is the program counter content? Program counter gives the address of next instruction, and that is 0002H. So this is the content of program counter register. Now this bank we are not going to use. A random access memory. So this is a data memory, random access 128 byte. This is also not required in this instruction because immediately data along with the instruction. Now what is the status of PSW register? So this register will having the contents, but here they are cleared. The content of accumulator, that is 1AH in binary format 0001 1010. So this is 1AH. Now that is added with what byte? That is this 28 is the byte. 0 0 1 0 1 0 0. So before execution it is like this. After execution, so when the execution take place, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 1 0 here, and carry generated. So carry is added here. Now see here, this is a carry generated. 1 plus 1, that will be 0, carry will be 1. 1 plus 1, sum will be 0, carry will be 1. 0 plus 0 0 plus 1, that is 1, and 0 plus 0 0. So what is this? This is the 4 and this is 2. So 4 to h is the content of now the accumulator. So okay, by mistake it is written 4 3h. So here it is 4 to h. Okay, so this is the content of accumulator. After execution, the content of accumulator will be 4 to h. Now after execution, what is the status of PSW register? So accumulator content is 4 to h. Now here carry generated from D3 bit. Now this carry will set the carry auxiliary carry flag. Okay, and parity will be what? Even parity. So parity flag will be 0, and the other things remains as it is. So this is the add a comma hash data instruction. Next one is program counter register. Next instruction is add a comma at ri. The content of ri means r0 or r1 added in indirectly in the content of random access memory indirectly pointed by ri added in accumulator, and result is stored in accumulator register, where ri is r0 or r1. Now this is a description of this instruction. The content of accumulator A is added in content of random access memory whose address is pointed indirectly by R0 and R1 register. After addition, result is stored in accumulator. This instruction, so here add a comma syntax at the rate ri. Ri indicates what? 0 or 1. The content of random access memory pointed by ri, that content added in accumulator, result is stored in accumulator register. The addressing mode is register indirect addressing, and these flags get changed, PSWs. So before execution, the content of accumulator we are assuming that is 16h, and the decimal number is 22. Now when execution is done, the content will be 33h, that we will see later on. Before execution, add a comma at r0. So this is the r0 register indirectly address the random access memory content, and that content added in accumulator register, and operation code for it is 26h. So this 26h will be here in program memory. 0000h, that will be 26h is the operation code, and the address of this, okay, R0 register, that will be stored here in second location. So this is a 2-byte instruction, and the PC program counter register having 0002h address, and that instruction will be get executed when after this instruction this 0002 instruction executed. So this address is belongs to program counter register. Now we need here a register bank, and that is given by PSW register. Okay, so this is a program's status word register, PSW. Now this 2 indicates what? The bank 0. Bank 0 is nothing but R0 to R7. Suppose we need R0 and the content of R0 is 70. So 70 is the address of data memory, random access memory, and this 70 address content is the 33H. So this 33H and content of accumulator added. Okay, so this 33 and 16 added here. So this is the accumulator content in binary format. In hexadecimal format it is 16H. In binary format 001 and 0110 6, and this is 1. Now what is the content of random access memory indirectly pointed by R0? That is 33H. So these two get added. So after execution, so this execution take place here. So here 0 plus 1, sum is 0, carries sum is 1, carry is 0. 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry is 1 here. So try to get this point clear. Carry is 1. Now this 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry will be 1. Now see here, carry is 1. 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1 will be 1. 1 is here. Then next one is 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry will be 1. It is added here. So 1 plus 1 will be 0. Again carry added. So here, so carry is added, and this 1 plus 1, that will be 1 here, and this 1 0 1 0 0 gives 4, and 1 0 0 1, that gives 9. So 4 9 is the content of accumulator here. So after addition, after execution, the content of accumulator becomes 49H. But content of random access memory is not changed. It remains as it is. So this gives the address of random access memory, that content added in your accumulator, and result is stored in accumulator, that is 49H. So this is the execution process of add a comma @RI. Okay. Next one, after execution, what is the content of this? So this is the content of 49H. Next, the instruction add a comma direct byte. The add in accumulator to byte of data. So this byte of data gives the address of random access memory, and that content will added in accumulator. A result is stored in accumulator. This instruction add the content of accumulator with the content of direct byte, address of random access memory. A result is stored in accumulator. The direct byte can be a special function register address or general purpose register address 00 to 7FH. Why we write here like this 00 to 7F? It is address of 128 random access memory. Among this address, one of the address content added in accumulator. So here syntax will be like this: add a comma 78H. So 78H is the direct address of random access memory, internal random access memory, and that content added in accumulator. Result is stored in accumulator. It is a addressing mode is direct addressing. The PSW / status register flag, carry flag, overflow flag, auxiliary carry flag, parity flag get changed. This is the instruction having the operation code, that is 25H. Add a comma 78H. So this is 2 byte instruction. Number of machine cycle required is 1. So before execution, this 25 operation code stored in this memory location, and 78H is the direct address of a memory. So it is stored here. Now the content of a program counter register is again 0002HH. So this is a program counter register content. Now this 78H, this random access memory, data memory 128 byte, having the content 1 to H. So this is the address of random access memory, 128 bytes memory. This address is 78H. What is the content of that? It is 1 to H. So this 1 to H and 1AH content of accumulator added. So before execution, this is the content of accumulator in binary format, and this is the content of this 78 memory location 1 to H in binary format. When it is executed, so here the execution, after execution, it is like this: 0 plus 0 will be 0, 1 plus 1 will be 0 and carry 1, 0 plus 0 plus 1 will be 1, and this is 1. So this gives us C, and 1 plus 1 0, sum is 1, and this is added directly: 1 0 0 0 1 0 is 2. So 2CH is the content of our accumulator after execution. Now see here, what is the content of accumulator? Content of accumulator is 2CH. The other things not change. So this random access memory content 78H is 1 to H. It is not changed. Only the content of accumulator change, that is 2CH. Now the flag also changes. There is no carry generated from first nibble, so auxiliary carry flag will be 0. Number of ones are odd, so parity becomes 1 here. Other things, no carry generated here, carry flag will be 0. So this is the status of PSW register and the accumulator register. The content of accumulator changes. Thank you. Student, what we learn in this video lecture? We learn the add instruction. Add instruction having 4 basic types, and they are belongs to the addressing mode: direct, indirect, register addressing, and immediate addressing. Thank you. We will continue this in next video lecture also. If you have any difficulty, contact on my mail ID sampardemse57@gmail.com, WhatsApp number 9860389302. Thank you very much.